Hi, this video is how to take your Kahoot and share it with your class. So after you created your Kahoot game, you just gotta click on the title. But make sure before you do that, that it says public. If it doesn't say public, then they will not be able to click it. So if it says private, all you gotta do right here is just click make public. And now you can click on the title. And that will take you to this page. And then these three little dots right here, you click on those, click share, and here is the link. So however you like to share your information to your students, you can click copy. It says copied. I'd like to post mine to Edmodo, or you can post it to Remind. Here's the link to the Kahoot game that you can play at home. Just drop it in here, press enter, and now I can send it to my students by clicking post. And now they can click on it at home, and they should be able to play the Kahoot game from anywhere that has the internet. Thanks!